So this is our Business 300 quiz number 2 preview to give you some insight as to where to look and how to prepare for the second quiz. 20 questions. They're all true or false. When you're taking the test, you need to conduct your own work. So no outside assistance, no material, textbooks, notes can be used whatsoever, and no assistance from anyone or any other sources. There are no go backs, meaning that once you have selected an answer, that is your answer. You have a 30-minute time limit. It's located on motivatetheworld.com, and then the results we'll post under assignments. So you really need to take some time to make sure you're prepared for the quiz, and that's why we give you the preview. If you have a problem while taking the test, just email me and we'll help you work through that. So let's frame the quiz a little bit. Questions can come from a number of sources. The class lectures on the videos, the YouTube videos are definitely a source of information we pull from. The textbook is yet another. And then you can even look at your notes as being a source of information depending upon how well you've taken notes. Focus on some of the key words that I'll take you through in order to assist you in finding the subject matter and then understanding it conceptually, and then learn. Again, it's not a memorization exercise. It's a matter of learning so you know the concept. Ask questions if you have need for any type of clarity. All right, so where are these areas you should focus on? Let's start giving you a few of them. The business process management. What does that mean? And when we looked at processes and systems, what are the key components in the principal skills blueprint? How do we define critical thinking? What is the foundation for communication? What is lifestyle? How do we shape consumers' minds today? What is an interpersonal skill? What then is appreciative inquiry? What is informative listening? Explain the environmental factors. How is it that we define communication? What are the benefits of quality? What are economic forces? Who was Drucker and who was Deming? How do we incorporate change in the business environment? How do we define negotiation? How do we define the social forces? What are the key principles of leadership? How do we use quality in our business work? How do we design a business strategy? All right, so that gives you some insight as to where to focus and how to get yourself on track for quiz number 2 in this preview. And of course, if you have questions, feel free to contact me. Here is your thought for the day. Business is never just business.